Yeah.
Going into
Just don't talk.
Ace Hardware. Ace Builders. Let's go. I'm putting on my mask so I go in here and not bother people. We can look around, do a video. Ooh, safe. Safes, 14,000 pesos, so they're about 300 bucks. $300. Yeah, for a safe. How are you? You're on my vlog. You're on my vlog now. You good with that? I'm going down all the roads just to show you guys. They got everything. Got everything. I'm going through everything, Mama. So a generator that's 3,500 watts runs about, I don't know. Let me see. So $32.99 for a 3,500 watt generator. So it's around 600, 700 bucks for one. Let's see. I'm just getting prices on stuff, Mama. Just see what it is. So it's 20 for this grinder. It's $24.99, which is about 50 bucks. DeWalt's what we're looking for, Mama. DeWalt. There it is, DeWalt. I need a 20 volt charger for DeWalt. Huh? Drills for 20 volt DeWalt batteries. To charge my batteries.
And also just by ordering.
Yeah, you don't have them in stock. Okay. Okay, I'll order it off of what you call it.
Lazada?
Yeah, they've already got it there. Yeah, I'll order it off of Lazada. But I'm just giving everybody. That's a hacksaw.
Yeah, I think this is the one that you need.
How much is it?
I'm cutting the, you know.
Nah, that's not a PVC cutter. How much is it? I need one anyway.
349.
$349. Don't need one that bad.
Yeah.
But I need something like this, a set of sockets that all of them's there, you know, all together. What about the DeWalt 20 volt drill driver? Let's go this way, where everybody was hanging out a while ago. They carry Stanley, DeWalt, Bosch, and everything else. Anyway, guys, this is the building center in SM. Got paint, from paint to just like any other Ace, except this is a giant one. It goes for a long way. It's kind of like a Lowe's. Ace is like a Lowe's here. And they got all the right paints and tables. I like these tables.
Yeah.
These are the ones I had back home. How much are those, Mama? $32.99 for these? Yeah. For those tables over there? Well, I want you to get an idea of the lighting and stuff like that for the house and stuff. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Chandeliers. Yeah, I do too. And these are recessed lighting, like they go inside the wall. Yeah, recessed, so you can't. All you see is the light coming out. These are too. These are really good LED ones. So you looking at like that one for $8.99. So.
$8.99.
But that's, you know, that's what you got to pay for stuff like that. Here, these are work lights. See, there's floodlights you can have for outside. I want to give you an idea of what, you know, we'll be doing. So here's the lighting. We got through the lighting, except for over here, they've got these under the cabinet lighting, fluorescent. We were looking for a thing, converter.
Oh yeah, they said they have a number 9.
Let's go there. Number 9. This is number 9, ain't it? No, it's 7.
Number 7.
You sure this ain't where they said to go? You sure this isn't where they said to go?
For this? For the what?
Converter.
Yeah.
Okay.
The guy said they have a converter and we call it transformer.
Yeah.
That you can plug in the
Here's 9.
Yeah.
Voltage regulator, you mean? Transformers? Yeah, I need a transformer to plug in 110. Okay. Yeah.
What kind of appliances gonna
I'm gonna be plugging in a lot of 110 stuff from the States, like battery chargers and.
We have 2 bigger wattage of transformers, sir. 5,000 watts and 10,000 watts.
Yeah, we don't want a transformer, Mama. That's the wrong thing to get. We want to change AC 240 to 110.
Yes, sir. But it's depend on the wattage, the appliances.
I understand that, but you don't need a transformer to change it over.
All you need, only for the power tool, sir.
Yeah.
For charger only, sir, or?
Yeah, well, right now, that's all I got. Ain't it? What all I got that I got to change over? Just my charger. I just need a small one.
For charging a power tool, sir, you recommended 500 watts. But
So that'll change from 240 to 110, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're on my blog, by the way. Is that okay?
Very good, sir.
Thanks. But, okay, so how much are these for the 500?
1769, sir.
1769. You got that?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I need that. And here. Maybe you can watch my YouTube channel.
I test first, sir.
This one.
If the transformer is good.
Yeah.
The transformers has a extra fuse.
Okay. Yeah, he's gonna check it out. Make sure
The
everything's.
holder of the fuse is on the bottom, sir.
Okay, I see that. Yeah.
Then plug in a regular 220, then power on. It has 100 volts and 110.
Okay.
We use a digital tester, sir.
Yeah.
You can see the actual voltage of the transformer.
Right.
On the top, sir, 100 volts or output is 104 or 104. On the bottom, sir, it's 115.
All
From 110 to 115.
Okay. So we're all good there.
Yes, sir.
May warranty.
If you overload the unit, sir, this unit not be explode.
Yeah.
Just pop up the fuse.
Yeah.
You have extra fuse, sir.
Okay.
Just remove it and
Put a new one in. Yeah.
the unit has a warranty for 1 year service warranty.
Okay.
Just keep it the receipt.
All right. Thank you so much.
No discount?
No, ma'am, we don't have this.
We're in the mall.
No, but the other things that they have.
I know it's 20% off that
Selected
stuff.
item.
Selected items.
Yeah, selected items. Anyway,
Anything else, sir?
no, thanks for letting me film you. And what's your name?
Alvin, sir.
Okay, Alvin. Thumbs up for the YouTube. Thank you.
Kaya
Thank you,
siya ng charger, yung sa drill niya. So, by order daw yun.
By order, ma'am.